Space robots discover alien caves on Mars and Moon. Future human homes revealed. Spacebots are preparing to become the first cosmic property scouts, exploring caves on the Moon and Mars that could one day be homes to humans. A team of European scientists, including the German Research Centre for Artificial Intelligence, tested the idea on Lanzarote, chosen because its volcanic terrain looks a lot like Mars. 3 different robots work together to map lava fields, hunt for cave entrances and explore a skylight, a hole leading down to an underground cave. They carried out a 4-step mission, first mapping the surface, then dropping a sensor into the cave, lowering a rover and finally letting it explore on its own to create a full 3D map. The mission proved a success, showing that teams of autonomous robots can work together to explore areas far too dangerous for humans. Lava caves are especially promising, offering natural shelter for radiation and meteorite impacts, basically nature's own bunkers. Of course, if we do end up living on Mars, our bodies might need some upgrades. Lower gravity could stretch our spines, weaken our bones, and even change how we look. A little unsettling, but at least the robots will have the hard part figured out. So here's to our robotic pioneers mapping out tomorrow's neighbourhoods in the dark, rocky depths of alien worlds. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimised workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.